through the forest, looking for friends. She soon saw a monkey and asked, "Can we be friends, monkey?" The monkey quickly replied, "You are too big and can't swing on trees like I do, so I cannot be your friend." Deflated, the elephant continued to search and stumbled across a rabbit. She asked him, "Can we be friends, rabbit?" The rabbit looked at the elephant and replied, "You are too big to fit inside my burrow, so you cannot be my friend." The elephant continued until she met a frog. She asked, "Will you be my friend, frog?" The frog replied, "You are too big and heavy. You can't jump like me. I am sorry, but you can't be my friend." The elephant continued to ask the animals she met on her way, but always received the same reply. The following day, the elephant saw all the forest animals run in fear. She stopped. A